It's been about 5 minutes. Got it all. Show you. Okay, let's see if we can use this guy. First time using this, first time doing the oil change. Filter PF66. Okay, so I'm going to check the ring over there, but it should be a gasket. Let's see if the gasket came off the other one. If it didn't, it's stuck there. Just use a screwdriver to kind of get it off. So here's the new one here. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil. Put a little bit of oil, so next go around when you take it off, it'll be easier to get off. Just put a light coat of oil right there. So all I did was clean this guy up. You want to go hand tight. Let's see here. You shouldn't have to do it with the wrench. Again, this is the oil we're going to use. AC Delco Dexos D light duty diesel. This is what was recommended. It's not many oils this truck can take, at least for now. So this, I'll just keep using it. I got this from as a packet, 7 quarts plus the filter. It's like $75 on Amazon.